Viva College of Diploma Engineering and Technology welcome you to the academic year 2021. Heartily congratulations for your result. Now we are starting our third semester academic on the online platform due to the pandemic situation we are facing. Myself Sampada Atul Pawar will be teaching you applied electronics having course code 22329. Now for this third semester you have 5 subjects: DTE, that is Digital Technique; AEL, that is Applied Electronics; ECN, Electric Circuit and Networks; EMI, Electronic Measurements and Instrumentation; PEC, Principles of Electronic Communication. AEL, that is Applied Electronics, and DTE are assigned external examinations. Teaching and examination scheme. Here you have weekly 4 lectures and 4 practical hours. You will be having 70 marks theory paper, that is ESE, and 30 marks PA, that is progressive assessment. Under PA, out of 30 marks, 10 marks are for micro project assessment and 20 marks is the average of 2 tests that is to be taken during the semester for the assessment of the COs and UOs. Course outcome. What is course outcome? What you study in the subject. These are particularly course outcome for your applied electronics subject. First, use of transistor as low power amplifier. Now, what is first of all a transistor? A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electronic power. It has 3 terminals. It regulates current or voltage flow. Now, what is low power amplifier? Low power amplifier is generally a small signal amplifier referred as voltage amplifier. Second PO, use BJT as a high power amplifier. What is a BJT? BJT is bipolar junction transistor. What is high power amplifier? It is an amplifier which is non-linear device which amplifies a small signal to significant level. Third, use BJT as feedback amplifier. Now, what is feedback amplifier? Feedback amplifier are basically amplifiers which use feedback that exists between output and input. Fourth, use BJT as a waveform generator. Basically, waveform generator generates variety of waveforms at a desired frequency. And last but not the least, maintain IC voltage regulator and SMPS. What is voltage regulator? A voltage regulator is used to maintain a constant DC voltage at output irrespective of voltage fluctuations at input or in load current. And what is SMPS? Switch mode power supply. It converts power using switch devices that are turned on and off at high frequencies. Basically a power supply that uses a switching regulator to control and stabilize the output voltage by switching the load current on and off. Now this will be your first chapter, low power amplifiers. What we are going to study under this subject and topic is classification of amplifiers, where BJT can be used as an amplifier, single stage amplifier, multi-stage amplifier, types of BJT amplifiers and their couplings, FET amplifier and tune amplifier. In the second chapter, that is your high power amplifiers, we will be studying power amplifier, class A, class B, class AB and class C amplifiers and their characteristics, waveforms, efficiency and power equation. In the third unit, that is your third chapter, we will study feedback amplifiers. We will be studying the principles, types and type of feedback connections that can be voltage shunt, voltage series, current series and current shunt. We will be studying how to calculate the gain, what will be the effect of negative feedback, how to calculate the gain, bandwidth, input, output resistance, and we will compare the performance of the feedback amplifiers. In the fourth unit, that is waveform generators, we will be studying different kinds of oscillators, what is the need of oscillator, what are the conditions of oscillator, and what is sweep generator. Unit 5, IC voltage regulators and SMPS. In this unit, we will study different types of IC voltage regulators, the specifications, series, line and load regulations. Also, we will study about SMPS. We will study its working principle, specifications, special features, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. We will conclude the topic with use of heat sinks for regulated power supply. In this slide, we can see various chapters and marks allocated to them. So first unit, low power amplifier, 16 marks. Second unit, high power amplifier, 18 marks. Third unit, feedback amplifiers, 12 marks. Fourth unit, waveform generators, 14 marks. Fifth unit, IC voltage regulators and SMPS, 10 marks. All these contribute to 70 marks. So this is our syllabus for applied electronics. Thank you.